Hello, I'm Energy Coach John Peterson. Today, we're looking at a fan that seemed to ignore the BAS, leaving the ducts sounding like a rushing river. In this video, we'll see how this led to noisy VAV boxes, wasted energy, and a simple fix hiding in plain sight. Employees reported heavy duct noise, especially in the morning, and it wasn't isolated either. Nearly every VAV box in the east wing was loud, with dampers fighting to control airflows. The maintenance technician stated that everything seemed to be working as expected in the building automation system, but the air ducts told a different story. Once they were at the BAS, they noted that the duct static pressure was modulating as expected. Their next step was to run an override history report in BAS to show all the points on manual override. No force commands of the fan were found. Then they reviewed the static pressure reset sequence, and it was resetting as expected. Maybe the transmitter was out of calibration, but a quick discussion with the maintenance tech revealed that they had recently replaced the pressure transducer. But one detail stood out. The BAS was commanding the fan at 64%. That raised a new question. Was the VFD following the BAS speed command? They then decided that they would physically take a look at the equipment, and once they arrived at the air handling unit, the answer was obvious. The VFD display showed the supply fan was in hand mode, locked at 80% speed. This explained everything: why duct static stayed high, why the BAS command was ignored, and why the boxes were struggling. The technician toggled the drive back to auto. Instantly, the fan slowed down, and duct static pressure dropped towards set point. The building automation system and the fan were finally speaking the same language again. The maintenance staff recalled that during their last service, a contractor had replaced the pressure transmitter. It was likely that the VFD was placed in hand for testing, but never returned to auto. This fix was simple, but the lesson is important. When BAS data doesn't match what you see and hear in the building, always confirm the VFD is in auto. Adding a quick drive mode check to your operations and maintenance routine can prevent weeks of noise, wasted energy, and confusion. Sometimes the BAS tells you one story, but the equipment is living another. In this case, one fan in hand mode caused an entire wing to fight airflow. Remember, trust your sensors, but verify your drives.
Thank you for watching this Energy Trust of Oregon video. Check out the other energy-saving videos in this series by using the QR code.